Yeah, man. Walk and tell me about the place. I'll be there.
Yield the power of the Trinity, Haile Selassie, the first Kings of Kings, Lord of Lords, Conqueror, Lord of the tribe of Judah. He lift up himself on the light of the universe. Give thanks, brother, give thanks, sister. Give thanks to the Adam. Yeah, man, in your being the tabernacle in Malvern, St.Elizabeth, Jamaica, whole world we are called at the feet, and no repatriation is a must. Send my sons from far and my daughters from the ends of the earth. Everyone who called by our name, Rastafari, universal tribulation of our mankind. Tabernacle, ancient temple, in the mountain with them. See? Yeah, man, see the farm there? Ancient farm. Right now, you see it. Plant right now, food. You know, see it. Right now, gathering, you know, see it. When the bingo are gone, it be 25th of May, and I gather and they stop here. Right here. Oh, you. I pay for the truth I'll come up anytime I know, so I get the place unified and get the faceless. The shut up, come see how the ground of the brother. That's my with the strength. That's it. That's it. These are the sisters' quarters. Now you're being sisters' quarters. That's it. They make the strength. That's it. They make it set up for bingo, come up and get the place put together. That's it. And it's the family love there. Yeah, go out and got the family love there. That's the facility. There the place. See the quarters there. That's the sister quarters. So if the world see it and want to make things happen towards it, I know want to give strength. And I say give thanks to the strength. See they want proper roof. Want to set up for the daughters, them and the youth can come on. And I say when bingo go and have a good surrounding. And I say so the bingo ground they say I know want a whopper so to clean up the place. And I see the tabernacle there. Want to pray up. And I say Asian temple. And I see the one the world see it. And so I know the mountain here. And I see show the Rasta family. See the temple again in our quarters. These are the man quarters. And I see it. See the shower them there. These are the shower and the brush toilet and the shower. That's the bingo ground I show the item. See near and far. So these are the family love, you know.
Yeah.
Why they have to come together and do it. One for all and all for one. Working that man be no failure. See? So these are the man quarters. Where the kingdom come in and all. Come with Isaac and bingo and go on. See sir? You want to set up female too, you want a proper roof. You want to put together. You know, see, so I want the family international and national realize the Rastafari I do and don't take any strength for weakness and we love for granted. We just come together as a family, as a nation and do the will of His Majesty. Don't take the power and give it around and war it out. See? So this is our quarters. They give thanks my brother for the child and my sister, sons and daughter, Haile Selassie. And the kitchen this side, now you have the food kitchen.
Yeah.
See? They gather, family come, they can have a place where they eat up food and so. See? So we just show you the sound in the place and the scene.
Up in the Great Hills of Malvern.
Great Hills of Malvern, the mountain, Holy Hills of Passion. See? And show the setting of the place, the sound in the tabernacle. Right now, let's go. You see it, and I just hear loving us. You know, see, one for all, you know,
all for one.
Working that man have been out. All sons and daughters, Rastafari. We used to iron anywhere you're in the ends of the earth. I can't call by night on the phone, you know, because they say reach now. You know, so we can telepathic or we can call physical. So we can call iron on this number 1876 296 8772. You can get iron at the hilltop, seeing 828 7921. You can get iron and communicate with iron and see towards the love of Rastafari and Haile Selassie the first, and the love of Africa and repatriation in the West from such time to this time. So give thanks for the manifestation and the duty.
Alright.
One love, brother.
Blessed. Alright.